Unboxing! Let's unbox these packages that I got for the month of August. Reverse na package. Blackpink in your area. Ang laki. Mas malaki sa akin. She's a Blink. It's giving, let's go na. Asan yung concert? I have here cards. They have my name and my ID number. Shania, Shania. Bahala kayo. Basta tawagin niyo lang. Lilingon ako. Okay. Ang dami pa. Guys, ang dami sa baba. This one. Stickers I have here. It's like a mini notebook something for your phone. Let's check this. Picture. Ba't walang perma? Gusto ko ng autograph. Ay! Ang ganda na autograph. Pink po yung hair ni Lisa. CD. Sino ba tawag dito? Yung lumang CD. Oo, yun. The other one. Silk siya. Gusto ko to, may hawakan. I got the tumbler.